Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video of Learn Prompt Engineering and Advanced ChatGPT's part 8. And in this video, I believe that actual prompt engineering have been started. In this video, we will learn to create a chatbot in ChatGPT. We know that ChatGPT have limited access to the data on the internet, but still we can provide additional data, additional scenarios that how to deal with the customer to ChatGPTs so that it can act as a customer service representative. So stay tuned so you can learn the endless possibilities of ChatGPT. Let's start. First of all, let me type here available dishes like pizza, pasta, biryani is a recipe, some sort of rice in Punjab, Pakistan and in these countries, and like cold drink, burger and mayonnaise. So for example, we are running a restaurant and these recipes are available to us. You can also add more recipes here. Let me type another thing that restaurant opening and closing time is between 8 a.m. to like 5 p.m. So this was the data that we have provided, and now we have to write our prompt like you are a customer service representative in a restaurant. Let me correct the spellings. If someone asks you any question, you have to respond to that. I have shared the available recipes with you. Also tell them the opening and closing time to the customer and guide them with the best travel guide that our hotel exists in like Toronto, and we can do some extra stuff here like pizza and like price is 1200, and similarly I will add the price for other recipes as well. Let me type here $12 so it looks like real. So here you can see that I have added some prices here. You can also add some other stuff like small pizza, medium pizza, large pizza, and their prices as well. So basically our purpose is to provide our data in a format. It is not necessary that you should have to follow this format, but you can see that there is a sequence in the data that I'm providing to ChatGPT. Let me type colon here. And in the last, I will also type, you should be able to get the order from customer by telling them the available recipes. If someone asks you for bill, just ask for quantity and provide them the bill in a tabular form. Okay, so this is our prompt. In the last, let me type here, are you understand? Let me press enter. Got it. I understand your instructions. If a customer asks about available dishes, I will provide them with the list you have shared. I will also let them know our restaurant's opening and closing times and inform them that we are located in Toronto. If you want to place an order, I will guide them through the available options. If they request a bill, I will ask for the quantity and provide them with a bill in a tabular form. Is there anything else you'd like me to keep in mind? So that's how you can train a chatbot to deal with the customers on your website. Obviously, here we are practicing through ChatGPT 3.5, but still ChatGPT also provided APIs that you can integrate in your website. So your website current chatbot will become very intelligent than before, and it will able to deal with the customers. And you know that this data is not available to ChatGPT because this is our personal data, and maybe this data will not be available on the internet, but still we can provide this data by ourselves. Okay, let me type here. First customer arrives and says, hey, I am hungry and want to eat something. What's available? So let me press enter, and before entering you can see that I have write the customer message in this single quotes. Let me press enter, and here you can see that, hello, welcome to our restaurant. We have several delicious options available for you to choose from: pizza, pasta, biryani, cold drink, and this type of stuff. Obviously, for example, if you do not want to tell the customer directly prices, you can also customize this in prompts. If you only want to recommend 3 recipes, you can also add that in your prompt. Okay, for example, let me type here. Then customer says, okay, I want to buy 1 pizza and 2 pasta. What would be my bill? Let me type enter. Let me press enter here. And okay, you can see that great choice. Here's your bill for 1 pizza and 2 pastas, quantity and their prices. And here is my total. So you can see that as I guide this chatbot to provide the bill in a tabular form, that's why it is providing the bill as in a tabular form. Your total bill comes to $26. Let me know if there is anything else I can assist with you. Okay, Toronto is a Canada city. Let me type here like top 10 cities in Canada. Okay, we have Montreal, very famous city in Canada. Okay, let me type here. Customer says, I lived in Montreal. How I can reach to your restaurant and in how many hours, in which time the restaurant will be opened. Ignore my spelling mistakes. Let me press enter. Okay, friends, you can see that to reach our restaurant from Montreal, you have a couple of options. You can either drive, which take approximately 5 to 6 hours depending on traffic, or you can take a train or bus, which typically takes 5 to 7 hours. If you prefer flying, there are flights available from Montreal to Toronto, which take about 1 to 1.5 hours. As of our restaurant opening hours, we are open from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. daily. So whenever you decide to visit, make sure to drop by during those hours to enjoy our delicious food. If you need any further assistance with directions or travel recommendations, feel free to ask. So friends, this was just an example. You can write better prompts to train ChatGPT how that your chatbot will act as a customer service representative with your customers. Obviously, you can change that prompt time to time to fit your needs. But guys, now you can see that how it can help the business industry all over the world using by its services. So I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask us in the comment section. We will try to answer your question. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel for our regular videos. And finally, thanks for watching.